Nigel Sharp of Lion Sharp, and
Hey.
he's going to give us a presentation of how the voice board works, right?
Absolutely. So VoiceBoard is the world's first gesture and voice control presentation tool, and using your hands and your voice, you can do amazing things with presentations. So we can just take our hand and just with a quick gesture, I can flick through slides. I can also jump through really types of interactive content. So for example, in a presentation, someone says, hey, can you go from the beginning to the end? Well, that happens a lot. Instead of clicking my way through, how about if I could just say, view all slides?
Whoa, look at
Pull
that.
open all the slides of my presentation, and then jump anywhere within the presentation. So for example, pull up and click on my fourth
And
slide.
just to make it clear to viewers, this
It's
right,
one of the...
is controlling that, right?
Absolutely. So this is connected back to the laptop, and the laptop is plugged into our TV or your projector or whatever you might be doing for your presentation. So yeah, you've got one of the world's first wearable ring devices that measures both gestures, and it has a bunch of really neat buttons on it that can do all sorts of cool stuff as well.
Wow.
So for example, if I wanted to do something cool, like put up a 3D model in my presentation, an architecture firm or a 3D printing company, I just have to say the words, open model, open model. Oh, there we go. A bit noisy here today.
You have to scream it out there. I think,
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, it says open model. There it is.
Okay.
Hey, is that the submarine from where is that from anyway?
I think they
I thought
actually.
it was, you know what it reminded me of? It reminded me of
Thunderbirds.
Oh, Thunderbirds.
It's not Thunderbirds.
It's a
but
cross between Thunderbirds and the Voyager from Fantastic Voyage, a movie made in 1968.
Okay. Well,
Okay, anyway, there you go.
I'm not that old. Sorry, Zen. Anyway.
Hey, wait a minute. That's why I'm Zenny 62. Okay, so anyway.
So using my hands, I can flip that around, so I can actually start moving that around. So I'm just moving my hands here, and I'm able to flick around and move pretty more up, down, left, right, so on and so forth. Close model.
So you get to a point where you can literally feel the model moving.
Absolutely,
Right?
absolutely, yeah. You've got that complete control and sort of super micrometer precision. But I can do that all the way from the other side of the room, so I don't need to be standing next to the TV or far away.
So you
I
can
can
be
go up to like
way back over there or something?
yeah, like 30 feet away, no problem at all.
Wow.
I can do the same with my voice. So I can also do other cool stuff. I can like put up maps, web pages. So you imagine you want to show somebody where your office is, or you want to put up, your Twitter feed right live in your presentation and show something cool. All you got to do is say open web page, open map, pull those things up and fly into them with your hands and your voice to control everything. And this isn't just limited to just presentations. You can build your presentations using standard tools like PowerPoint or in a PDF, pull them into VoiceBoard. It takes about 10 seconds and everything's converted into being voice and gesture control presentating. So it's pretty exciting tech.
What does it cost if I may? Is there a price?
Okay, so yeah, right now we're shipping the whole unit in the first ever box. So this is the brand new VoiceBoard box. It's coming with one microphone system, so you get to wear this thing. You flip the microphone by just, too much stuff in my hands. You flip the microphone by just flipping it on and you're good to go. You also take the wearable ring device, and with those two pieces, plus the ability to also have the license key for the software, we're running the whole thing at $450 right now on our Kickstarter for the next 3 days. So you've got 3 days on Kickstarter. Voiceboard.info is where the website is, voiceboard.info. Check that out. Otherwise, it's going to be out retailing for about $599 or $550, so around that kind of range. Yeah.
Great presentation. Tell them the website.
Okay, so the website is www.voiceboard.info. So it's Voiceboard.info. Otherwise, you guys can also search out for like Lion Sharp, the name of the company, just here on my badge. You'll find out what it is we make. We work with really cool, futuristic types of things with presentation tech. Okay, someone's waving one of these in my face.
QR code.
That's great.
QR code. That's a great idea.
Oh yes, scan the QR code in the video.
Do that
Pause
again,
it.
Do that again. QR code, folks. QR code. Lock in on it. There. There's your QR code, folks.
All right. Never mind. All right, so yeah, your QR code. Pause your video, scan that thing. That's going to be it. Take you straight there. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you.